In 1988, the corporate computing landscape was redefined by the release of the IBM AS400. It was a massive, integrated hardware system that brought a high level of processing power to enterprise data centers. But hardware was only half the equation. To utilize that capacity, companies needed specialized tools to navigate those early interfaces and manage their data efficiently. That specific need was met by Michael Ogle. Known in the industry as Mr. Blue Suit, he founded SSS-Software with a focus on precision and quality in every line of code. In 1992, he brought this focus to the United States, forming a partnership with Tom Wallen to expand the company's footprint internationally. Sticking to this uncompromising standard of quality is what allowed SSS-Software to build an unbroken 38-year track record of reliability, bridging the original AS400 systems to the architecture of 2026. Since the beginning, every tool they designed followed one rule: the user interface had to feel entirely native to the IBM environment. We can see this in this terminal interface for file access. It operates as a specialist tool, providing direct data editing functions and SQL support for queries like join and select right from the native display. To connect that environment to the modern workspace, a utility called Transfer Data takes over. It exports spool files and databases directly into Excel, CSV, and PDF formats. The reliance on this specific utility is significant. Clients have reported utilizing Transfer Data over 100,000 times for their daily business evaluations. These twin utilities simplify the flow of information, allowing businesses to pull operational data directly from the system into analysis-ready formats without needing to recreate reports manually. As businesses grow internationally, they face a new challenge. Scaling legacy applications for global users usually requires extensive manual reprogramming. This interface shows the solution, a tool called NLS. It automatically translates text elements, like mapping customer number into German, Spanish, and English. This allows companies to make applications multilingual capable without writing new code. A parallel tool called CHU, or Create Help Utility, automates user support. It generates context-sensitive help menus down to the individual data field level. The technical advantage here is separation. Generating these help menus requires no alterations to the underlying display files or programs. By automating localization and user support generation, NLS and CHU preserve developer time that would otherwise be spent on repetitive manual coding. Surviving for over 38 years in enterprise software requires a constant effort to adapt legacy tools to modern web standards. That adaptation is clear in File Access 12, which introduces capabilities for JSON and WebServices directly into the toolkit. Specifically, the new GETJSON function allows the system to parse and integrate complex web data, creating a direct link between the IBM I and modern external API ecosystems. At the same time, updates to Transfer Data 9 and 9.1 have added full support for processing and generating e-invoices, the electronic invoices now required by European law. These updates ensure that core IBM systems stay legally compliant and integrated with web-based API environments. Beyond data handling, the SSS software ecosystem addresses high-stakes administrative tasks, automated build management, and backup security. This infographic breaks down the workflow for BLD, an automated build manager. It tracks object dependencies and performs impact analysis to prevent the runtime errors caused by missing updates. For data security, a tool called SaveMe provides a direct, automated data path from IBM I partitions straight to mirrored NAS disks and physical RDX drives. This removes the need for manual tapes and network-dependent cloud storage. This monitor interface provides real-time transparency into that process. The progress bars confirm that administrators can track multiple systems running backup jobs in parallel without disrupting system performance. And this graphic highlights the precision of the system's logging. It records the exact byte size of every backed up object and tracks the execution duration down to the millisecond. Since 1988, the vision of Mr. Blue Suit has centered on technical precision. By automating these core management tasks, SSS-Software ensures that complex IBM I environments remain stable and efficient for the next generation of enterprise computing.